In this video, we will discuss general tips and methods for safe sample extraction with the inline valve method. The inline valve method is perhaps the most desirable method to obtain a sample. This method provides the lowest opportunity for contaminant entry due to sampling activity that would throw off your results. Equipment is commonly fitted with oil sampling valves from the factory. If installing an aftermarket inline sampling valve, they should be installed upstream of any filter in order to capture wear particles, and preferably on return lines. Locate the sample valve on the unit and clean the area around the valve prior to removing the dust cap. This will reduce additional sample contamination. Once the area has been cleaned, remove the dust cap from the valve. Note, shop rags can generate and deposit fiber in lint. Ensure that the sample bottle is clean and free of any moisture before obtaining the sample. Purge oil from the system to ensure a representative sample is collected in a test collection bottle. The appropriate amount of waste oil is determined by the distance of the sampling valve from the flow of the system. It is recommended one full sample bottle equal to 100 milliliters is purged from a remotely mounted valve prior to collecting the sample. Properly dispose of collected waste fluid. To take the sample, press and hold the sample probe to the valve to release oil from the system into the sample bottle. Fill the oil sample bottle approximately 80 to 90% full. Leave some airspace between the top of the fluid and the top of the bottle. Once a representative sample has been obtained, remove the probe tube from the sampling port and immediately seal the lid to the container. When properly performed, the oil sample will be warm, indicating that a representative sample has been obtained and all stagnant fluid was removed during the purge process. Ensure all sample and asset information is submitted using the appropriate sample submission process. This will ensure timely and relevant information. Things to avoid when taking a sample. Avoid non-representative sampling points. Never sample directly from a filter. Avoid taking samples after changes or adding fresh oil. Do not delay submitting samples after they have been taken. Avoid cross-contamination when sampling multiple pieces of equipment. Ensure samples are properly sealed and packaged for shipment. Ensure the exterior of the sample bottle, barcode, labeling, or paperwork are clean when shipped to the laboratory for testing. Keeping your equipment running is top priority. Helping you prevent and predict failures is ours.